Yeah, nafuna mental disturbance, loza. What I was seeing, I was in two worlds. I was seeing darkness and say chizikiza. And I went say okwerwanako ngina okwerwanako. Bashintalinga shigambo ogenda kufa ina kufa kati fakati ogenda kati. Anangina kwita Jesus. None nkola Jesus. For like an hour. Ila Jesus yanonira.
Okay.
Nibaza Katonda nti bwendi mutima guno bagamba kwa enlarginga era ndozanga kukuleba connectinze waya y'amasanyalaze ku mutima I'm electrified naye saba Katonda zikidney zazinuma nene mutima still but gwali lad siwe mundowooza kati mutima kyade kyakussa wadde sobola kussa.
Hello.
Nagezakelanga bolabi. They're trying their best. Bona wabageza Katonda azinga okujjanjala.
Okay.
Nangera nsamunna nangesi Katonda. Wenge nize Katonda kyaleeta kitujogenda nakyo tunakyakola.
Nze mama wange, ebulagu mama wange. Yes, era ndi mutabani we. Embeera sinungi era tesanyusa. Naye kyakubazaamu amaanyi nga bagamba nti atereera era agenda beera bulungi, she's going to be fine. Yatubasaba mutongereko essaala. N'abasaba tubasaba tubebaza okutusabira tubasaba mwongere essaala. Twafunyeko obuyambi because people have been coming around bajja they reach personally watu obuyambi banji abajja wane people come around bajja day to day ulako people come within the day bamukyalirako ne bamubuzaako abamu ne basigalawo ne bagenda later because people have work ne bagenda ne bakola. Friday was bad. Friday was worse. Yes, but yagiyitamu it was a very bad day because yafunamu mental problems. There was a lot of pain. Your pain in India, mental issues. You know the pain can make you good. If you feel like you stay when the pain is too much. But she went through that. Again, as progressing a step, she's progressing very well and she's going to be fine.
Yeah, but it's single mutawanya.
Breathing and the heart. It's a problem. Jaina do that. Yeah, but then we talk about that. Natasobola alya mmere najisikaza mu lubuto era wale mmere atuka nagikomyawo nagisesema all the time. Niwe banywedde mazzi, even the water she used to drink anywa amazzi nagakomyawo. Nekati I think these days she's trying to eat. She tries so hard to eat. She tries to eat. Niwa sesema era she tries again and she eats, but niwa agikomyawo era ngalya. But then these days she has been eating and trying to stay with the food. Last night that's when she was the most sesema ko, but abasobodde baweza obuyambi abalala baweza messages.